Hey there, my millionaire divas. It's your girl, Miss Millionaire Peters, coming right back at you. Today, I have the opportunity to do a quick makeover on my aunt, and we are about to do a ponytail style with a natural makeup look. Her hair has already been blown out, moisturized, and I'm about to pull her hair back into a low back simple pony. And the products I'm about to use today is Murray's beeswax, and I'm going to use the clear one instead of the black one today. I have videos of invisible ponytail already, so you can refer to those videos if you would like. This video is pretty much straightforward. I wrap the wrapping paper on her ponytail. From the beginning to the end of her natural hair starts in the braid to protect her hair from the weave glue. When you're all finished with the ponytail, I sprayed some setting spray, and I flat ironed the ponytail. That's about it. I'm now gonna go into the makeup, and I'm going to start with her eyebrows. As always, I start off with BH Cosmetics eyebrow pomade in the shade Ebony, and I'm using my MAC Prolong Wear concealer in the shade NC50 to outline or conceal her eyebrows. For primer, I am going to start off by using the Pore Eraser by Maybelline, and then I'm going to go over that with some Becca Matte Pore Perfecting Primer. This entire look will be done with my Juvia's Place Nubian palette, and I'm only going to use the black eyeshadow from my Morphe 350B palette. For her brow bone, sorry, I've used the light gold or shimmer eyeshadow from my Forever BH Cosmetic palette.
Face to face I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me, it tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can, yes you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above and let it glow. Just know that it's never too late to make a change. Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Wanted more, I let it go. Holding on to love, breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn. Crash and burn. Oh wow, oh wow, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels alone. This one for the hero who has.
The eyeliner I used is my Inglot gel eyeliner in the shade number 77. Then I'm gonna go straight into her skin by concealing her skin with NYX in a jar, and the shade, I think the shade is Chestnut. And then her foundation is going to be the shade Ebony in the brand Caramel. And then her highlights will be LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I added Chestnut first, and then I added Almond over it to give it a bit more brightness.
Face to face I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me, it tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can, yes you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above and let it glow. Just know that it's never too late to make a change. Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Wanted more, I let it go. Holding on to love, breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn. Crash and burn. Oh wow, oh wow, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels alone. This one for the hero who has no home. This one for the one who live for hope. Changing better days. Pick your head up, keep on fighting, living, loving. Make your mind up. If you want it, take it, fly away, soaring high above the clouds. and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Make your mind up. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love, breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn.
To contour, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the shade Earth, and then I locked it in with my BH Cosmetic powder contour palette, and then I set her on the eyes with the Banana Luxury powder. I didn't get to finish add the lips and all of that on camera because my battery died, but all I did was added the under eye shadow, and I lined her lip with brown eyeliner, and then added some gloss in between.
Hear the voices calling now.
And this concludes my video today. I would like to thank you all, my millionaire divas, for tuning in. As always, to all of the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload a new video each and every week. As always, I love you guys. God bless. See you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.
Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness.